Hey everybody, we got the Cheeseburger food truck Pringles. I wanted to try these. You wanted to try them? You picked them out. Have some Pringles, hon. I'm gonna try these. It smells kinda ketchupy pickly.
Yeah.
That's kind of odd. You know, I made cheeseburgers all day long today at work. Big burgers. And these they almost taste like the smell of burgers when they cook. That's kind of confusing, but I don't know. The flavor is not really definite on these. They're 150 calories. 80 from fat. 9 grams of fat. 2.5 grams of saturated fat. No trans fat. No cholesterol. 250 milligrams of sodium. Very noticeable. 16 grams of carbohydrates. 1 gram of protein. No vitamin A. No calcium. No iron. And 6% vitamin C. And this is the Pringles Potato Crisp Cheeseburger food truck. I think since they missed the mark on this, I'm only going to give them a 2.5 on this one.
I'm going to go with 2.
They didn't fare so well on this one. There goes that notification dingling. It's probably going to mess up the rest of my video. I don't want no more of these right now. These would probably go good with a barbecue or something. When you got other flavors going around and kind of slide this one through the cracks. I wasn't too impressed with this. Would I recommend going out and buying it? Probably not. I like the Pringles brand. I like Pringles, but this particular flavor didn't quite do it. No. Yeah, we're gonna do something special to this video. I downloaded editing software, and so y'all let me know what you thought of this video. I haven't even done the editing yet, but I'm gonna after this video is done. After we're done with this video. There's a gnat flying around in front of me. Yep. So yeah, we're really glad to have gotten an invitation to join the Awesomeness TV network. It's really exciting to me, and I'm hoping that good things come from it. And I got a lot of reading to learn. They're about policies, about their what they do and how they do it, because I'm still kind of confused, really. I'm not really sure what it means. I gotta do some homework. But our subscriber count is like, right now it was at 93 just before we started doing this video, and that's great. It makes me so happy, and I'm so thankful to every one of you guys, girl, and everybody who subscribed to us. It gives me the motivation and the desire to do more videos and to try to, make them better and add, good content to them and keep it good for everybody to watch. Yeah, there you have it, everybody. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and tell a friend and subscribe and, you know, whatever's clever. That's all I got on that. You think anything? Did I miss something?
No, I think you said it all. Wrapped it up.
Alright.
You and your rambling.
Hey, yeah, I like to do that. So anyhow. Alright. Well, till next time, everybody. Take it easy. And thanks for watching.